Hi, Pickles the guys in here, Jamaican YouTuber. Welcome back to my channel. Now today is a video. I've done a video like this. I've done a video like this in a long time, but I have on this bloody thing. I'm here to talk about teaching now in Japan during this pandemic and the COVID thing. Yeah, I had COVID. I work now. I work my way back in. But during the whole pandemic, the whole teaching landscape has bloody changed. And you know, the more things change, the more they remain the same because kids and Japanese kids are still Japanese kids. Now, imagine you're in a pandemic and because of how my classroom situation is set up, I'm the only person in the class with my students and I can have up to 13 kids in a class. Alright, cool, bam. So you know, a lot of kids don't know how to practice social distancing. They're still kids, they still want to play. As a matter of fact, adults don't even practice social distancing here. You see the trains are still packed, people not wearing masks, people coughing, people not washing their hands, people still behaving like it's a normal life out there without this pre-pandemic behavior, right? But you know, it is what it is. At the end of the day, you have to do what you gotta do. With this whole new coronavirus and the pandemic, everything has changed in the classroom and how you teach. You have to have online lessons sometimes, and also there has to be a whole new cleaning protocol, all right? Because people just, So for me, I have to ensure the kids' hands are clean at all times. They have to use the alcohol or the Mr. Clean or whatever to keep their hands clean. Now, if you know anything about Japanese people, all right, let's not stereotype. If you know anything about these Japanese kids, sometimes kids are kids, so you know them, they really want to do that. And then you have that one kid that decides he's going to use the whole bottle to clean his hand, and then act like he doesn't know what he's doing. Sensei. All right, I don't mind that. Then now the whole mask issue. If adults don't wear masks, how you going to get picnic for wear masks? Tell me. The little 3 and 4 year olds out there sensei, they might eat the mask. How do you even eat a mask? People, it's nasty. They might eat the mask, then them send them hot, them take it off, and it is just not. It's not hygienic. And you know, the worst thing about the whole thing of this teaching the pandemic thing is the online portion, the Zoom calls. People, I don't know if you've ever taught children and have them trying to focus in a class regularly on Zoom. Every godforsaken thing is there for them to be distracted. So if it's not bad connection, if it's not muting them mic, if it's not playing game while me teach them a lesson, if it's not them looking all about the place, them not here, oh my God, you that thing say, yo, listen people, I live in the rural part of Japan and I teach in the rural part of Japan. And sometimes this whole 5G connection is not really happening. You know, people don't have that connection. And then some parents are saying, hey, this don't have no meaning, online class. This is not how they learn English. And to some extent, I kind of agree. Because how am I going to teach people in the class and then teach people online and then tailor these activities which are usually hands-on, which you can't even use again because of Corona and the rules and social distancing, and everything has gone to crap. So all our teaching styles have had to change, and you know, at the end of the day, it is what it is. People, we're in a pandemic, we're living in unprecedented times. We have to change how we behave, we have to change how we act, we have to change how we teach, we have to change how we do things because it is not going to be the same ever again. And I guess it's hard for me to come to grips with that because I want things to go back to the same. I want to be outside and frolicking. And you know, I think we have to also think about the mental health of our children or our students that we're teaching because they're going through it too. You know, I realized the other day, I had a student that really almost had a breakdown. A little kid, like 5 years old, had a breakdown, didn't want to draw a picture. He just didn't want to draw. But everybody was supposed to be drawing, and you know the whole Japanese culture, everybody, the nail that stands out has to be hammered down. Yeah, and this week I just didn't let him draw, let him sit down and watch TV, and he was fine. And we have to recognize that students are human beings, and they can have bad days too. We can have bad days. Yeah, teaching is not for the faint of heart, and especially in the COVID, everything changed, and it is hard for the students, the teachers, the parents especially, because you know the kids are at home. So in the comments down below, how has your life changed in terms of teaching students in Japan or wherever you are in the world during COVID? Do you think there's a better way to do this thing? Do you think online classes are the way of the future? Let me know in the comments down below. Because guys, just making YouTube video. Bam, boom, a long time doing something here. I'm out. Boof, 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 poof.